This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. Here's the easy way to highlight certain text in Google Sheets using conditional formatting. And you can see right now on the spreadsheet, I've already used conditional formatting to highlight a bunch of numbers, but what if I wanted to highlight certain text that's in this column? And you can see there's tons of text there. And basically, I want to make every single column that says family tree be colored, let's say a pink color. So let's do it right now. I've selected column A. I'm going to go to Format and then select conditional formatting. And then here's the rules. So if it says right now it's not empty, it'll color it light green. So all of them are colored light green because the cells are full. I'm going to say if the text contains value or formula, family tree, to make this, I said pink, right? So let's find a pinkish color. Okay, click done, click off of it, and then we can see there. So now I've highlighted all of these cells that contain family tree and turn them red. And if I wanted to, I could do something else. Like for instance, if it contains the text ancestry, I could color that yellow or something else like that. And that's useful for organizing the data or finding things more quickly. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I'll see you next time.